Hey YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today I'm going to do an unboxing movie of this Bosch jigsaw. It's a JS5.2 So I just got this, thought I'd do a little unboxing movie, tell you why I spent a little bit more on this than the lower price Bosch, and give it a little test and see how I like it. Now, if you like this movie or find it useful, please give me a thumbs up, share it with other people, subscribe to my channel. Always helps me, help my channel grow. So I did a lot of research and I decided on getting this Bosch. It was rated the top for most. There's a couple jigsaw, or at least one jigsaw out there that might be a little better or can do different things, but this was like the highest rated. This is a newer version, or the newest version of this jigsaw. I picked it up off of Amazon for about $229 plus 20 bucks tax. Everywhere I looked, eBay, Amazon, other tool stores, they're all about the same price. So let's unbox it and see what we got here. Shouldn't be too much to this. I decided to, one of the reasons I got this model was because it came with a case. And I'm starting to like cases a lot more these days. It keeps my tools better organized. So here it is in the case. Has a little place right here. You could put a paddle lock on it if you work in that kind of environment. Comes with a set of instructions, warranty card, and here's the unit. Nice long cord, and accessories is it has 3 blades. They all look like they're wood blades, and this anti-splinter piece of plastic that goes right in here. So why I decided on this Bosch compared to the lower price Bosch. This one's like $229, the other one was like $159. One is it has an LED light, which I really like. 2, it came with a case. I'm not sure if the other one came with a case. But then it also has a lever lock here. So if you undo that and slide this back, you can adjust the angle real quick and easy. I like that feature. It has a little bit heavier duty motor. It's 7.2 amps compared to 7 amps. I think it's a few ounces lighter. But the big thing is this has a double roller here. So the cutting accuracy of keeping this blade true should be a lot better than the cheaper one, and that's why I really chose this one. I wanted this accuracy of cutting my cuts. I'm gonna have to finish filming this movie inside because there's a barking dog outside. Don't know where he was, couldn't get him to be quiet. So anyway, the reason I went with the handle grip compared to the barrel and make it as barrel model also is a lot of times I'm doing overhead work or reaching out somewhere to make a cut, and I think I got a lot more control with the handle. I also like having the variable speed right there so I can increase. It also has a lock to keep it locked on. It also has a adjustment for real fast to slow. So let's try it. Put these blades in. Looks pretty simple. Lock in place. That's pretty smooth. It's really smooth. I'm going to do a straight cut. I like that. I like it a real lot. I think I'm really going to appreciate this tool. The other reason I bought this Bosch jigsaw is a jigsaw can do just about anything. It can do straight cuts, it can do curved cuts, you can do a plunge cut. You know, it might not be as fast as like a skill saw, but if you want to cut metal with it, you can cut metal. So it's pretty much the perfect all-around saw, and it can do certain things other tools can't do. But what I like about it is that if I'm just going to go somewhere and just do a small job, I can just bring this. I don't need to bring sawzalls and circular saws and everything else, because this pretty much can do whatever those other ones can. Maybe not as fast, there's always some cut that it can't do, but overall it can do a real lot. The other thing I wanted to mention, which it has a dust blower here, which I really like, and then it has a 4 settings for the orbital to if you want to go faster or slower. Like if you're cutting metal, you don't want it. You want it pretty much going up and down, and if you're doing just wood, you want to go fast. You want it to have more aggressive type cutting action. I'm going to just try this blower, and it's on. So yeah, it kind of blows the dust forward, keep it out of the way, and that with the light on, well, should really be able to see my line. Yeah, that's real nice. So overall, I think I'm really going to be happy with this purchase. Yeah, it costs a little bit more than other jigsaws, but it's one of the best out there. Has a nice case. The other thing is you can get some really long blades for this, so you can cut up to 5 1/4 inches, something like that, which will really, especially if you're doing some scroll work in like a 4x4 or something, this would be a real great tool to have. So pretty happy with it. Okay, to review why I bought this over some other jigsaws out there is, you know, I wanted a quality tool. And there are other quality tools out there. But with this one, I got the case with the instructions. Came with 3 blades, plus a little plastic that goes in here. That's an anti-splinter thing. The cord is about 13 feet long. But the other nice thing about this cord is it swivels from side to side, so you're not going to wear out your cord so much and get it so binded. The other feature I really liked is it has this light, LED light, real nice. To make this tilt from side to side, all you got to do is unlock it there, pull it back, and go back and forth. Most jigsaws I've had, you got to get an Allen wrench out, and it's this one has posi stops on it. The other super nice feature, super easy to change the blade, just pop in and out. A lot of jigsaws these days have that feature. It also has a blower that blows the dust out in front. So with the light in the blower, I'm going to be able to maintain my line pretty straight. But this double roller action, whatever you want to call it, I think will give me the straightest cuts out there, and that's what I'm looking for. It weighs about, with the cord, it's about 5 pounds, 11 ounces. It has one of the biggest motors out there, 7.2 amps. It's variable speed, has the variable speed on the trigger, it's a real light, and you can also adjust it over here also. It has 4 different settings for smooth cut to really aggressive cuts. So I think I'm going to be real happy with it. Won't know until I try it for a few jobs, but looks, you know, Bosch makes really great tools, so I think it was worth the extra money to buy the top of the line Bosch for me. Anyway, if you like this movie, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it, help this channel grow. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.